Hi guys, welcome back to Garden Fun Times. Are you looking for a tool to pull out old fence posts? Well, when I was working with a client helping them dismantle their greenhouse, I learned about this tool right here. I immediately bought one on Amazon that day, and now going around the property pulling out all these fence posts that were like impossible to pull out. I'm doing it in the winter. It's really wet, so I had to put a board down because the ground was really soft. But you can use this any time of year, and it just makes life so much easier. You don't need any heavy equipment. It's literally the best tool ever. Look at it, just pulled that out. Look at that smile. It says it's easy.
All right.
So yeah, links in the description or on the website if you want to learn more. So it pulled that one out. It's been in the property for a long time.
Learning. So what I learned is you don't want it all the way up. You kind of want it here. So you could just go here instead of all the way.
Now I just want to show you how simple this device is. It's like a lever, and then the teeth of the post go right in there, and then if it's too short you can add a chain and you just pump it out of the ground. Super easy to assemble. Get yours today.